Hi, boys and girls. Alrighty, we're going to be working in our science textbook again. You should have it out in front of you, and we're going to open to page 118, where we are still learning about animals' physical adaptations. Very cool physical adaptations. And today we're going to talk about staying safe. Look out, it's a predator. Some adaptations help animals defend themselves without fighting. And we call these defense adaptations. Let's go ahead and underline those first two words, defense adaptations. Right? Defense adaptations may attack a predator's sense of sight, smell, taste, touch, or hearing. It could be a bad taste, a loud noise, or a nasty odor is often enough to make a predator go away. So a porcupine raises its quills. It swings its tail. One good strike pokes the quills into the attacker's skin, ouch, and will usually make the attacker go away. A skunk, you know what a skunk does, right? When a predator comes after a skunk will spray a bad odor. Even skunks don't like the smell of this odor. The spray can also burn a predator's eyes. It's a powerful defense against predators. That is why it is called a defense adaptation. Moving over to page 119, here we have a caterpillar. It's a monarch caterpillar, and it eats milkweed. The milkweed makes the caterpillar taste bad to birds. The pattern of stripes on the caterpillar is a warning to birds. It tells the birds that they do not want to eat it. Often, animals that have bright colors are poisonous or will make animals sick if they try to eat them. So it's good to have bright colors. It's a defense adaptation as a warning. We call it warning colors. And it lets the animal know that it lets the predator know this animal is not going to taste good. And then if I go down here, I have the frilled lizard. Now the frilled lizard hisses with open jaws, makes a very screeching-like noise. Its frill opens wide to make it appear bigger. It is a scary sight that will frighten away some predators. So it's got two defense adaptations. One is the noise and one is making itself look bigger. Sound the alarm. Like pet dogs, prairie dogs bark when they sense danger. How would this adaptation help them survive? So the prairie dogs bark when they sense danger. How does this adaptation help them survive? Write your answer here and be ready to discuss it next time we talk. Alrighty, and we've already learned about these two adaptations, so we're just going to review them again. Alrighty, so we have camouflage and mimicry, also known as creature costumes. They're called costumes because they're part of their body that makes them look different. Like when you put on your Halloween costume, you look different. Alrighty. Some animals can hide without trying. These animals are hidden by their shapes, colors, or patterns. Such disguises are called camouflage. And you can see how the word is spelled and how it's pronounced. Some harmless animals look a lot like animals that are harmful to predators or that taste bad. Since predators don't know which animal is harmful, neither animal gets eaten. Imitating or copying, this word imitating means copying, the look of another animal is called mimicry. Let's look right here at the color of this snow leopard's fur. Look at its spots. Its camouflage helps it blend into the background of snow and rock. Look how good that is camouflaged with the rock. If it were hunting an animal, I don't think it would see it. This helps it sneak up on its prey. Look right here. This is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. This is an orchid mantis, and it's sitting on top of an orchid. Look at how well it blends in. It looks like it is part of the flower. It is perfectly camouflaged. And this can help it hunt what it eats, and it can help it hide from things that might be trying to eat it. So this is helping it in two ways. It's helping it hide from its predator, but it's also helping it hide from anything it wants to catch. Over here we have some more mimicry. Here we have the monarch butterfly, and this is the viceroy butterfly. Look how much they look alike. The viceroy butterfly is copying the colors of the monarch butterfly, because eating monarch butterflies will make birds sick, because the caterpillar eats milkweed, and birds avoid eating them because the viceroy looks so much like the monarch. Birds will avoid them too, which is very cool. Take a look at this frogfish. It can look like a rock or a sponge. It is really hard to see that frogfish in there, isn't it? It can even look like algae, which is a plant. Animals will try to rest on the rock, and others will try to eat the algae, and the frogfish will trap those animals and eat them. Alright, now it's your turn. Get your crayons out or your colored pencils. Can you color this lizard so that it looks like it is hidden on the leaf? Think about what colors you could use together to help it remain hidden. Would that be camouflage or would that be mimicry? Circle the right answer. Have fun trying to help that lizard blend in.